I'm going to win! Not today, Zayro. Guys, what's that?
I've never seen anything like it.
Who's there? Something is coming out! Zayro! Let her go!
No! The portal left an energy trail.
Then we'll follow it. Back off, you monster!
Leave him alone!
Ready to eat my dust, Vortex? Only in your wildest dreams, buddy. This doesn't look like the track. My sensors indicate extreme danger. Is he chasing his own tire? I think he is. We have company.
Stay close, everyone!
Here they come! Let's move! That was close! Keep moving! There's a garage ahead.
Maybe Aura is inside.
That was one way to enter. We don't have time.
Zayro! Zayro!
Aura, I'm here! You won't get away with this!
You should never have come here.
That's a big problem. Let her go right now!
She belongs to us.
Something huge is coming. I don't like the sound of that.
You're at the end of the line, heroes.
Let her go right now, King!
Her energy will open the portal forever.
He's going to invade our world! You missed! Nice move. Watch and learn how a pro does it.
I have got your back, Vortex.
You cannot stop me.
We'll see about that, big guy.
I found the control system.
Can you free me?
Almost there.
Hurry up.
You're not getting to Arco.
Move.
Vortex, now! Now! I'm on it!
It's weakening.
Just a little more.
I'm free!
Aura, get to safety!
The machine is getting stronger.
We have to shut it down.
Arco, look over there.
That's the main control.
It's protected!
I'll disable the shield. Now, Aura.
Now, Aura, I'm doing it!
What have you done?
We're ending this.
He's going for them! We've got to stop him! You're not getting past us! Push him back!
It's working!
The portal is collapsing! That was one crazy adventure.
Wait for me!
Looks like we have a new friend. What a beautiful day!
The valley looks amazing.
Wait, what's that?
I don't know.
That machine looks strange.
Something is definitely inside it.
Everyone, move! It's coming right for us! Look at that!
It's forming a creature.
Hold the line, everyone! Here it comes! You will not pass! Got you! Move! That was close!
Wait! Its power is coming from that machine.
Then we stop the machine. Come and get me! Keep it busy!
Now's our chance.
Let's reach the machine.
There it is.
The power core. Can you shut it down?
I'll find a way.
I'm not giving up! Together! Push it back! Whoa! That's powerful! Keep moving!
I found the emergency control.
Activate it!
It's working!
Its power is weakening. It's losing power!
We have one chance.
It's coming back!
We need more time.
You're not getting past us!
We've got you covered.
Keep moving! It can't reach them.
The core is exposed.
Then that's our target.
Target acquired, Arvon.
I'm in position.
Strike on my mark.
Ready when you are.
Now!
Not so fast! Go, Zayron! Now! Now! Push it back!
Together, now! It's cracking!
One more hit!
It's about to explode!
We need to get away! Everyone, get clear! Move!
We did it! The core is destroyed!
Wow, that was close! I really thought that was it for a second. The valley is safe again.
It's finally over.
No more danger. We should clear this road.
Good idea.
Teamwork makes everything easier.
And safer, too.
We couldn't have done this alone.
That's why teamwork matters.
Think carefully and always help each other.
And put safety first.
Did you enjoy our adventure?
Like and subscribe for more.